everyone, it's 123 Tutors. In today's lesson, we will be learning about numbers. Today's objectives are to find out what are numbers, how to count to 10, and how to use numbers. Let's learn. First, let's see. What are numbers? Numbers are something we use to count things. For example, Sally has 3 birds. 1, 2, 3. The number 1. This number is the first number that has a quantity. That means that it represents something. One example is Max ate 1 slice of pizza. The number 2. Example, Katie has 2 dogs. 1, 2. The number 3. Emma went to 3 restaurants last week. 1, 2, 3. The number 4. Billy saw 4 turtles in the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number 5. There were 5 people in the store. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 6. My friend is turning 6 tomorrow. The number 7. Molly has 7 cookies to share with her friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The number 8. There were 8 books on the shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number 9. Samantha got 9 presents for her birthday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The number 10. Now that we have looked at some examples on how to use numbers, pause the video and create your own example with the number 10, and you can send it to us. We're almost done. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! You learned how to count from 1 to 10, what numbers are, and how to use them. Great job today. You did great. See you next time. Bye.